Ako po si Lance Joseph Ticada from BSIT 3Y1-3. Ang code nito is Hospital Patient Monitoring. Tama ba? Hospital Patient Monitoring. Define, check, condition, temperature, heart rate, tsaka blood pressure. If yung temperature daw is greater than 39, or yung heart rate is greater than 120, or yung blood pressure is greater than 160, return critical. Kapag ka naman yung temperature is greater than or equal to 38, or yung heart rate is greater than or equal to 100, or yung blood pressure is greater than or equal to 140, return needs attention, else return normal. Dito, piprint nyo lang is hospital patient monitoring system. So, total is 0, normal 0, attention 0, critical 0. While true, papa-input natin si user ng patient name, enter their age, yung temperature, yung kanilang heart rate, tsaka yung kanilang systolic blood pressure. So, yung status is equals to check condition, which is itong sa taas, yung temperature, heart rate, and blood pressure. Print lang nito is yung patient, yung name, age, tapos temperature, heart rate, tsaka blood pressure. Ito yan. Tsaka yung status din pala, which is ito. Next, total plus equals to 1. Age status is equals to normal. Is 1. Status naman is needs attention. Attention naman is 1. Else critical 1. Next, another patient naman tayo. Papa-input natin si user kung gusto nila. Yes or no lang. Mga naka-lower. So, kapag pinili nila is no, break lang. Tapos na doon. Kapag another sila, continue. Mag-input lang ulit sila. So, print is hospital patient monitoring system. So, piprint lang nito yung summary report. Total patients check, normal, needs attention, critical, tsaka thank you for using the hospital monitoring system. Para mapalabas to, itong mga to, call out lang natin yung ginamit nating variables, itong mga to. Total, normal, tension, and critical. So, in. So, output.